This is the story of Captain Bart Loomis, a man of imagination who was possessed with the idea of conquering space. This is Spaceport 1143A. In a moment, Bart Loomis will take off from this location for the planet Mars. And this is spaceship XMZ-4, which will carry Bart into outer space. The XMZ-4 would use Bart's special fuel for the trip, a sensitive mixture of kerosene and cough syrup. Bart's fiancée, the beautiful Dr. Clara Northrup, is aboard with Bart, ready to blast off. However, there is much opposition to the flight. Even now, the sheriff has driven up to stop the takeoff.
This is Sheriff Tom Gridley, Bart. I have a court order forbidding this takeoff.
Get off my ladder, Sheriff. You can serve your summons when we come back from the planet Mars. Set rocket engine B up 4 hemispheres, Navigator.
Aye, Bart.
All right, 5, 4, 3. Just a minute. How's the gyro integrator?
Looks all right to me, Bart.
And the hyposynthesizer?
I've never seen it in better shape.
I guess we're all set then.
Yeah, Roger.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Roger.
And through the black starry vastness that is infinite space goes the XMZ-4. The ship sails on past the Earth's orbit and into the dangerous asteroid belt.
Oh, Bart, look out of the rocket port. A dangerous asteroid is slipping down on us. Oh. Push it away, Bart, quick, before it smashes us to smithereens. Now, on to the planet Mars. There it is, Bart. I believe I see it.
Oh, yes. I believe you're right, Clara. Let's land the XMZ-4 near that crater. We'll call the crater Clara Northup Crater, after your father.
Oh, thanks, Bart. That's decent of you.
All right, let's land. All right, Clara, the planet seems to be uninhabited.
Are there any people on it? I'm coming down, Bart. So this is Mars. How about that?
Yes, my dear. We're the first Earth people to land on Mars. Hark! What's that strange sound? Me, Captain Bart. She named Clara Northup.
Me, fiancé.
Who you name be?
He seems to be angry, Bart.
What is wrong, little friend?
I believe I understand the language, Bart. He says you're standing on his foot.
Oh, sorry, little friend. Clara, here come 2 more. It looks like this chief and some sort of secretary.
What does it say, Bart? What does it say?
I am your friend. I will help you. I speak English.
Oh, Bart, is that just keen?
Great. What'd he say?
Public attention, public debate, the go to the theater.
By Gaffney, we won't leave until I file my report. I think he's angry.
What was that, Bart? A volcano? Yes, Bart, look.
Yes, by Gaffney. And it looks like it's about to erupt.
The chief looks rather angry, Bart. I think you better shoot him with your ray gun.
Missed.
Oh, Bart.
Wait, I read someplace that if you sprinkle water on Martians, they melt. If we only had some water.
Oh, here, Bart. Luckily, I brought along a canteen of water.
Great.
Oh, here, Bart. Oh, Bart, hurry. Throw it on him before he... Melt him.
Clara! They're not Martians, they're Venetians! We're doomed!
Well, do something.
I closed them up.
Bart, look, we're saved anyway. The volcano is erupting. They won't be able to kill us after all.
Yes, we're saved, Clara! Thank heavens the volcano will destroy this cursed planet and everybody on it!
Everybody, Bart?
Yes!